Hello students, before starting female reproductive system, we are going to see the arrangement of organs within female pelvis. This is female torso and we are going to see organ within the female pelvis. Let's see. Within this pelvis, this is bladder placed just posterior to this pubic symphysis. So, anteriormost organ within the pelvis is bladder. This is superior surface of bladder. Then this is uterus. In female pelvis, uterus is placed in between bladder and rectum. This organ is rectum. So, anteriorly urinary bladder, then posterior to bladder uterus, and posterior to uterus here is rectum. So, this female pelvis belongs to three systems: urinary system, reproductive system and alimentary system. Organ belong to urinary system is this urinary bladder. Organ belong to reproductive system is uterus, and organ belongs to Gastro Intestinal Tract or alimentary system is this rectum. Within the pelvis, sigmoid colon, rectum and anal canal are placed. Then we will see the reproductive system within pelvis. This is fallopian tube and this is left ovary. Below this tube here is left ovary. On right side here is fallopian tube. Just here it is attached to fundus of uterus. Then this is running to lateral side. This is femoral end of fallopian tube which is attached to ovary. Here is right sided ovary. Then we will see section of the organ within pelvis. Here is sagittal section of female pelvis. We can see the section through pubic symphysis. Posterior to pubic symphysis, here is urinary bladder. This is urethra. Then posterior to urinary bladder and urethra, here is uterus, and this is vagina. Posterior to vagina and uterus, this is rectum, lower part of rectum, anal canal and anus. So, anterior to posterior, anterior organ is urinary bladder with urethra, then middle part is of uterus and vagina, and posteriorly rectum, anal canal. Now we can see the position of uterus. This position of uterus is called as anteverted anteflexed position. Anteverted means this 90 degrees angle in between long axis of vagina with the long axis of uterus, and this angle of anteversion is near about 90 degrees. Then next is anteflexion. The uterus itself is flexed, slightly flexed anteriorly, and this angle is near about 170 degrees and is called as anteflexion. So, position of uterus is anteverted, anteflexed position. Now, we can see here white line. This is peritoneal covering. Peritoneum covering the superior surface of bladder. This is superior surface of bladder. Continues to cover this anterior surface and fundus of uterus. This is anterior surface of body of uterus and this is fundus. So, this layer continue to cover the uterus. Then peritoneum covers the posterior surface of body of uterus and then it reflects on anterior wall of rectum. Here the fold of peritoneum in between urinary bladder and uterus, here the fold of peritoneum is called as anterior ligament of uterus, or this is vesico-uterine pouch. Then posteriorly the fold from peritoneal fold from body of uterus, this is upper part of vagina, and then reflects toward the rectum, and this is posterior ligament of uterus, and this is the floor of pouch of Douglas. It forms the floor of pouch of Douglas. Then now this is the lateral view of female pelvis. You can see here this is pubis, posterior to pubis, anteriorly this is bladder, anterior structure is bladder, then middle one is uterus and vagina, and then posterior structure within the pelvis is rectum. Now we can see here this is again fold of peritoneum. Fold of peritoneum, anterior and posterior folds of peritoneum togetherly form broad ligament, which is present on the either side of this body of uterus. This is broad ligament. This is section, here is cut edge of broad ligament. We can see here the structure within the broad ligament. This is ureter. Then now here at the posterior aspect of this broad ligament, here are ovaries. Here is one ovary posterior to this broad ligament. This is femoral end of fallopian tube. Fallopian tube is placed within the broad ligament. It is placed at the upper part of broad ligament, and then through mesovarium these ovaries are attached to the broad ligament. These are the ovarian ligament. Ovarian ligament passing from body of uterus to ovaries. This is all about female pelvis.